A circle centered at F with a diameter of EB is shown below. The measure of BFC is 18 degrees, so right about here is 18 degrees, and the measure of CFD is 108 degrees. If AFB is a right angle, AFB is a right angle, what is the measure in degrees of DEA? DEA. So that's going to be right here. So some things for us to take note of. If this is a right angle and this is a diameter, this is also going to be 90 degrees over here. And we have, this is a straight line. So this is going to be, let's call this X right here. So X plus 108 plus 18 is going to be equal to 180 degrees. So X plus 126, let's not forget our symbols here, equal to 180 degrees. So X is going to be 180 degrees minus 126 degrees. This is going to be 54 degrees. But we're looking for DEA. DEA. Okay, so DEA is going to be from here to here. So that's going to be this angle. So DEA is going to be 54 degrees plus 90 degrees, and that is 144 degrees. That's B right